In this video, I'll show you how to update a title tag in Squarespace. Now, once you were on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your navigation panel on the left-hand side. Now, in here, you just want to make sure that website is selected, and at the bottom, simply click on Pages. Now, on the Pages section, it will show you all of your page, and what you want to do is simply head over to the page in which you want to update the title tag. Now, let's say I want to update the title tag of the store page, and to do that, simply hover onto a page, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the cog for settings. Once you do that, it will automatically take you to the page settings, and on the left-hand side, you want to head over to the bottom where it says SEO. Now, under SEO, at the very bottom, you will see the option for the SEO title. Now, to update this, just simply highlight and press on backspace to delete. Now, this was titled as store number 2, so I just want to name this as store. And once you add a few changes onto the SEO title, at the very top, you will see how it would look like. You can even add more. And once you do that, it will automatically show within the search result preview. And once you're done updating your title tag, simply head over to the top and left-hand side and click on Save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.